There are a few other important areas that we haven't covered so far. Firstly, who should you contact if you have questions? It depends exactly what your question is about, but as a general guide, if it's rotation specific, your clinical supervisor. If it's more about this specific programme and assessment, the educational supervisor may know more. Above the ES, you may get further clarification from your TPD or deputy TPD. Alternatively, a good source of advice, especially regarding technical issues and timing of events, etc., is to contact your programme coordinator. And indeed, they're often a good source of advice on who to contact with more unusual requests too. For more local teaching issues, you may find the RCP tutor in your hospital useful, or postgraduate medical education department. Most importantly, bring up any issues you have early. We can help with many different things, and it's always easier to do this if we know sooner rather than later. And even if you contact the wrong person initially, they can often point you in the right direction. The Gold Guide is a very important document and defines a lot of rules around your training and assessment. Details of ARCP outcomes are defined here, as well as rules regarding ARCP and many other things regarding your training. It's available from www.copmed.org.uk and is a document you should at least look at to know what it contains, even if you don't go through it in detail at this time. Less than full-time training is available in this training programme and is something we're more than happy for trainees to do if you meet the defined criteria. Look at the less than full-time training section of the website or talk to your supervisors if you're considering this. Finally, trainee support. We know that a not insignificant proportion of trainees have various issues that come up through their training that they require support for. There are many different reasons for this, including mental and physical health issues, family or personal events, or questions about career options. There's a lot of support available, including counselling services, coaching or mentoring, and career planning support. Talk to your supervisor or look at the support section of the website for further information.